Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to share you about some of the online shopping websites that are alternative to Shein. As most of us were totally dependent on Shein, whether it's for clothing or jewelry or bag or anything, we were so dependent on Shein. So I thought, why not make a video that is really relatable to Shein, and like the prices are also kind of similar. So if you want to know, then keep on watching. The first website that I'm going to talk about is Urbanic Clothing, and this website is very similar to Shein. The prices, the designs, everything is very similar, and it's not very costly either. It's very affordable, and I have found some of the similar pieces from Shein as well, but I personally have not shopped from Urbanic Clothing yet, but one of my friend have, and she told me that the quality is really good and the delivery is really fast. So I'm really excited to try it out, and I think you should give it a try too. If you are very into Shein, then you will definitely like Urbanic Clothing. I will also try to show some clip on the side. If you find it attractive, then do check it out. The second website that I'm going to talk about is Lulu and Sky. I think most of you have heard about this website, and this website have been repeatedly coming up on my Instagram feed, and I was really intrigued to see them. Their bags and footwears are really amazing. I didn't find their clothing trendy, but yeah, they usually have 70 to 80% off in their website, and you can get the best bags and footwears in half of the prices. So yeah, make sure to check them out. I have found some of the really cool bags. I even ordered them recently, but I don't know when it will come. I don't know about the delivery, so I cannot say it. But yeah, I'm really excited, and if I get the delivery, then I'll make sure to share it with you guys. The third website I'm going to talk about is Ajio.com. I know most of you have heard about them. They have some of the really amazing clothing pieces and trendy footwears and bags, and I really love them. I also have shopped from this website as well, and I got the delivery also. So make sure to check it out. My next video, it's going to be a haul video, and it's going to have some of the pieces from this website. And Ajio usually have sales in their website very often, and you get really good discounts on them. So yeah, I think they're having a sale in their website already. Make sure to check them out, but before that, watch my video first. Okay, the fourth website that I'm going to talk about is Burger Bay. Even this website has been popping up on my Instagram feed for the longest time, and I have seen so many cool crop tops and t-shirts. If you like the t-shirts from Shein, then you will definitely like their t-shirts as well. They are not really cheap. They are like reasonable, you can say, but they are not cheap. They are around 700 to 800 maybe, yeah. So but their clothes are really amazing and really trendy, and I really love their tops. I really want to try them out, but I haven't got the chance yet. Maybe in the future I will definitely try them out. The fifth website is Vastrado. I haven't heard about this website before I was researching for this video, but I came across this website and I found some of the really nice pieces. There was this skirt in this website I really fell in love with, and I wanted to try, and also they were having a sale, and the prices were really affordable after the discounts. I cannot say much about this website. It was nice, but it was okay. If you are not into fashion but want practical clothing for your everyday life, then this is a really good website for you. They have really amazing practical clothing designs, and you will love them. The sixth website is Street Style Store. I think many of them knows about them. I have shopped so much from this store. There are offers like buy 3 clothes for 999 or buy 3 footwears for 999. It's really affordable, but the quality is not that great. Like, you cannot expect a great quality for such a cheap price. If you want to buy good quality clothes or footwear, of course you'll have to spend some money. The footwears from this website were not really good. They didn't last me for a long time. They were worn off really quickly. The 7th website is Eva Young. Recently I have been seeing so many influencers and bloggers wearing this brand, and the recent collection they have launched was so amazing. I fell in love with, and I think they were sold off really quickly. I went to their website to order the clothes, but then it was sold out and I couldn't get my hands from their new clothing line. They are really reasonable with their price. Yeah, their clothes are really amazing. I have seen Kritika Khurana wear their clothes from their recent launch, and I fell in love with it. The 8th website that I'm going to talk about is Miss Amore Clothing, and I think most of you know about it already. So many influencers, bloggers, so many celebrities even wear their clothes, and I don't think I need to explain much about this website because most of you know about it. I have seen some of the trendy pieces in their Instagram profile and I really love it. You can try them out. The 9th website is Stock by Love. I have personally tried their clothes and they are really amazing. You get some of the trendy pieces in very affordable prices. I won't say that they have the most trendy pieces in their website, but yeah, some of them are really cool. You can try them out. Their delivery is also very fast and the quality of the clothes are really good, maybe even better than Shein, because we all know some of the Shein clothings are not so of good quality. So yeah, that's that. The 10th website is Besiva India. Besiva is a small website. I have seen so many amazing pieces in their website and they are really affordable. If not affordable, then they are very reasonable prices, like you can see here.
And I think so many of have
not heard about this brand, but why not try them out? There are so many small websites that sell amazing pieces and we don't even know about them because we are so much into looking at the most trendiest websites and whatnot. So yeah, do try them out. They have some of the really amazing and unique pieces and I'm sure you will love them. The 11th website is the Fab Alley, and many of you have heard about this website. I guess they sell Indian clothing as well and the Western clothing as well, and personally I have checked them out so many times and I just love their clothing. They're so comfortable, they are really amazing, and the prices are also really reasonable, and I personally love their Indian wear collection. Yeah, do check them out. Apart from all these brands, you can also try international brands like ASOS, Zaful, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova. There are so many amazing international websites as well that ships internationally, but yeah, you will have to pay some extra penny for that, and maybe after this pandemic thing gets over, I'll definitely try them out. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update, and stay safe and happy. See ya.